I wanted to shoot one last update on 217 Grand. We're on our be done next 2 days. Then I'll have the professional come in and take the pictures. Dave is, hey Dave, how you doing?
Good, Brad. Brad, how you doing?
Good. Dave's an old hippie. No, he's not. But you can see all here, he's got all this paint. How we doing on this?
Good, good. Almost done here.
We're going with the same color in the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
So I'll show you the back ones. We had to pressure wash those. We pressure washed the whole house too. As you can see, it looks really good. But what you have to do with these decks is you have to power wash them and clean them. So this is drying, but he's going to paint this the same color. So all that's getting done. You see all this got power washed. Let's go inside because they got a lot done. It's about 4:30 on Wednesday. So you can see here, this is all done. I put the epoxy in there, which I really like. There's no light in here. I put it on. They got to put it in yet, but it's like a marble looking epoxy. This will last 10 years. They did the backsplash and everything, but you can see how nice that looks. It's kind of a marble looking product, but it really lasts. It's like a car paint. And then of course, you saw all this. This is done. And he did the tub surround and everything, so that's all done. You see, it looks like almost a brand new tub. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous finish. And like I said, it lasts about 10 years. And it's not cheap. It's not the Home Depot stuff. So you see here, this is all done. Again, they got all this in here. We got to put the doors on. All the paint's here. All this is done. Looking good. Go upstairs, I'll just show you here. Basically the epoxy, they got all this painted. Put an air up here, even with this air, we want to make sure it stays really cool up here, which it is. So, this is a nice big bedroom. Again, they got to put that on, hang the door. Go down to the basement where he's putting in a new heater as we speak. But that is going in. We ordered the appliances too. Let's go over here first for the bathroom is getting done. You see all this got painted. It's painted. So there's a laundry sink. You just got to paint the vanities here. Here's the shower. So just got to get all that put together. Let's see what we got. Yeah, they just got to get the plumbing in and all that stuff. So this is coming in. How we doing?
Doing good.
Getting the heater in. What kind of heater we got?
Made by Breeze.
Is it a good heater?
It's a good heater, good brand.
Been around. Here's your new heater. This is coming out, but this is all the new stuff. It takes a little time to get that down. He's putting in new vents. All this put in. You got to trim all this, get this put in correctly. But again, I'll get when it's finished. It's supposed to be finished by tomorrow, Friday, right in there. I'll order professional pictures. We'll get it, and we'll get this show on the road. This is Brett. Realty 216-703-5740. Check out the websites below. Better properties, exceptional results. Thanks.